care of by plane. The name of the town here, Bram, on the right-hand side, just outside of Bram, that's where Antonin Dvorak, the most famous of all the Czech composers, was born. Of course, another big name is Gustav. Alongside this road, beginning of November, trying to protect this road from all the snow being blown onto the road. They collect them again, naturally according to the weather, beginning of March, and then we simply have to get to the next roundabout and to the construction site. There is being a new road constructed, and then the traffic will flow again normally. At least that's how it was the way when we came out.
Wow.
Ja, die Schienen sind da drauf. Wir hoffen uns, dass das ersteht. The field that you see here on the left-hand side, that is not in bloom any longer, otherwise you would recognize it, canola, rapeseed, where they make biogas out of. Usually, when they grow it, they make canola cooking oil out of it. But since it's subsidized by the European Union government, nowadays most farmers prefer to raise it in order to make biogas, process it into bio